While in San Francisco, I decided to take Yosemite Buck Tour to see the famous National Park of America. It was a 2 night, 3 day hiking tour, and we were just five of us. It was fantastic to see the panoramic views while we hiked to reach the tallest waterfall of America. The giant sequoias were really overwhelming. Our very tall guide gave us some fun times also by taking us through the trunk tunnel where we crawled like serpentine. At the end of the day, I loved soaking myself in the jacuzzi, and more than that, I loved exchanging with my companions. The talks we had were so enriching and insightful. I will always cherish that.